guys, this is kind of a different video today. Had a little accident with my Garrett headphones. They fell on the ground on pavement and the holder broke in two. It was a clean break, and rather than replace them, I thought I would try to repair them. So I got myself a little super glue and a little electrical tape, and I'll be right back with you as I put this back together, see how this works. What I'm going to do real quick is just put a little glue on and working over a magazine so that I don't get any super glue on the table, because that would be a disaster. And we're just going to put it on both sides there. And super glue is actually pretty good. It's not really, I mean, it bonds right away, but it doesn't always hold forever. So what I'm going to do is actually just use this to hold them together, and then I'm going to use some electrical tape to reinforce the connection. And sorry, I'm a little out of screen there. Well, let's see how well this works. The super glue is just from the dollar store, so hopefully it's decent. It was super glue brand, but sometimes you get stuff from the dollar store, it's not the best. So this is the super glue that I bought from the dollar store, and it does say the original super glue. It's supposed to be these lovely little one-shot deals, and it didn't hold at all. I'm actually going to open up a second one, see if I can get it to hold, and if not, we're going to try something else. Okay, so this first super glue I tried was an absolute fail. The stuff again came from the dollar store, and it's not even sticky. I can hold it together, and it doesn't really work too well. I tried one more time with the super glue. It wasn't holding really well, but the funny thing about it was sticking to my fingers just fine. So I ended up mating the two pieces, a little bit of super glue in between them, and taping them with a little bit of electrical tape. And I'm going to let that sit and see if it holds after a bit. So I'm going to reinforce that a little more electrical tape, and hopefully that'll be fine to keep my headphones in working order. The final product, and as you can see, I actually have 3 different strips of electrical tape reinforcing it. It's a little bit chunky because I actually circled it back to hold it a little better. I don't think that the super glue is holding much at all, but we're going to see if the electrical tape is enough to hold the headphones together so we can keep using them. If not, I'll have to get a hold of Garrett and see if I can't get these repaired. Anyway, thanks again for joining, and we'll be back digging here, hopefully later today. See you soon. Hey, just a quick follow-up on my little dollar store glue thing. It did not work at all. If you can see, this part here is totally bendy, so the only thing holding it together is the electrical tape. And when I get a chance, I'm going to have to take that apart and try something better to reattach it. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for stopping in, and we will catch you another time.